This is an audio recording that complies with the advisory requirements for consequences, rights, and responsibilities. The law enforcement agent before you has reasonable grounds to believe that you were driving a motor vehicle while under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or other intoxicating substances.
It's good. Yo, Trey, so that chick Tanisha on Tinder, hit her up the other day. And, it was pretty good, man. She's cutie. Went to Old Red Robin. It was good. And
what you guys do after?
What's up, y'all? What you got, Curtis? What you got all day? See you, Curtis.
I can't remember. But all I know is you guys are my best friends.
I love you guys.
I love you, Rich.
You guys
love you, Trey.
Cheers.
You guys are my best friends.
Hey.
Good times.
Good
and
times.
good booze.
Good booze.
Shotgun.
Oh, that's gross. Oh, what time is it?
I think we need to get back to school.
All right.
You want me to drive?
No, I got it. I'm not that
Rich is
drunk.
good. Rich is good.
Not that
He's
drunk.
got this.
Spin some cookies.
Woo! Ah!
Let's get it. Let's get it!
Bro. Spain, dude. Don't act like you know something, Spain.
I don't know basketball, sorry.
Celtics are playing the Bucks, right?
That was a good game.
But yeah, Victor Oladipo went off against LeBron and the Cavs, dude.
Maybe, yeah, dude, just watch out, man.
Dude, what's this car doing?
911, what's the address of your emergency? Okay, you're in front of Highland High School. Pocatello units, respond 1800 Bench Road. This will be in front of Highland High School. We've got a 2-vehicle injury accident. Extrication will be needed.
Hi guys, what do we got?
17-year-old female involved in a motor vehicle collision. She was hit head on. Upon our arrival, Glasgow coma score of 3. She was unconscious, unresponsive.
So her airway's intact, she's intubated. got bilateral breast sounds, weak and thready peripheral pulse. She's got a large laceration in her posterior scalp. No other obvious facial trauma. Her trachea is midline. Her chest is non-tender, no crepitus. Her abdomen is somewhat distended. Extremities, no obvious long bone fractures or deformities. She's got an IV in, she's on the monitor, got vital signs. Let's go ahead and get her over to the CT scanner as soon as possible. See what we got going on.
Okay.
Doesn't look good.
All right, sounds good. Let's go. CT's ready.
So are you Bree's parents?
Yes.
Well, unfortunately I don't have great news for you. It looks like she has suffered some pretty major head trauma. Has got a pretty significant bleed inside of her head, meaning she's bleeding inside of her brain, likely as the result of that accident. She's currently in a coma. We're breathing for her. We've got her sedated and paralyzed. She's over in the CT scanner, finishing up over there right now. But it really does not look good. I'm so sorry.
The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is putting obituaries in newspapers, and obviously we can put one in the Idaho State Journal to notify all of his friends and classmates and so forth. Are there any other newspapers that you would like to see an obituary appear in?
No, we've just been here our whole life, so.
Been here the whole time?
Yeah.
Did he play on any teams, or was he involved in clubs or organizations at school?
He was the student body president.
Student body president.
Our church already knows. The bishop knows.
Okay.
So I think we're okay that way.